Thank you for arriving and everybody else around. Because of rain, tokagerete agekora bantu baita bantu ba taraikiraga akini kogendera tole gobono mwega oito ogendera iro tinyo saba burusi jora tsabera
mai gane gane burusi chacha mokonyara amai gane gane sege sige itu amai gane gane burusi chacha kore mede amai gane gane
Masuke. Otomono kaya no. Asimua rua muatika bona kokoroka. Bona kokorinya ndabore. Bono kuchiwa koranda masabu kanata abagina mu karanta basacha ba bartelete. Ande turi kumasaba yu kanata kunya. Basacha kokoroka wa speka. Engoro we michana na ni michinini etako era ondata te kwa mucha engoro kwari ni chingana ni chire no bosera mambia mugasobo ira nangio engoro aye no munyamabebe engoro bwato buchanchimi ondata te orosingo ruaye bokubweke boka engoro na basorolire unatuacha omobogani oyo kero muntu engoro mwagesikio gusiabura mabana masinga engoro na basorolire kero yomo asa gutacha bonya kurigenda una mandegerare egeumbu engoro kero muntu amese gusiye itobura ubocho engoro na bari bensi bacha engoro kero muntu anyore egesikio gusiabura mabana masinga engoro osesenie chindo cheito ebituni bieito engoro na basorore engoro na basorore bebo bono bia na okire asoko baba isui ase na ro bicheri mesanji ga ndete ko binyoka ingo chipoga na tambi ile ntonda batele bingelinga omukino bwe ego gento kinge chene ne mono bokusina tebete na moseraimi tanga na moseraibu mwakolu mukimwachira to kuchikubie kanuri ore nako oseri chisangara kiori kuna baramu ko na bakonye bacha mukusina tebete nga otachi mino mame tacha minto tigeri sora na mino bache bi nago kire mosike amfure watu alika nibo chanaro rimbo ate sora ba kala nanga be kare ji ya witube ya mono ninye genete muchi konyora tura mererio na maorokererio auchi kobera naye onyore se nayo rumiunde nekiumu atebe mukusi atebe teka kwanyore mutombo gotu munibe semi chibe gitumo utambukire ya mono
ase omubayinorero obwato musike Frank Makini uyo o prepare otwa omubayino kweri kulia Frank
Itomono kaya na itomono kaya ase ebono kwa yabono onabura batevinga nale komenya ndarabiale tananchi borwa moenori totalimus nale komenya ndarabiale tananchi borwa moenori totalimus inga okomenya magoro na magoro line ngochore kwara mangana atalimak wacha kotebia ba abana ili to basi koma mungaine inga nonyese ubwat ne likwaet na yakwara liyo oyo unese ni ito yo mo kusiare kwara ni kulwekia ochikia leke kende biana bila kwa mo ochikwara yo ela tatsaba kanale komenya ndola biale tananchi bolwa mwenori otali mos so mwenori tali mos ntero yo bwato ma oyo rocho oso yegwe omenyire ateriyo igoli ka sabo ngoba wanganale komenya ndole biale tananchi bolwa mwenori otali mos bien
hasta que crecí con como ya kundo para kwende
Kobata niliwena yo llegué tengia ay mole akwelio kana kwa kana Nama
Esa utilidad no ya todo que anda. Na auto mo esa utilidad. Flash. Aroma tu.
Bueno, a ver, creo que ya tener licencia para escoto y quiera, o a mí no parece, vino a tirar y scan, y se lo llevo, pues esto y el que yo, por allá avanto, banco qua abasamaru, después va cuenta, aquí se lo llevo tocando por esa sana, banco qua abasamaru, banco quiero, na avanto banco qua sans and ensemo ya Busamaro. Go asibalibatoro cha online. Je Johnson Malias nyandika. Go da to kwere sabantu bako kwa Basamaro go bari Asia ko kuma West Mugrango constituency in county. Lakini na ande mtoto kabali nsemo ya Bukutu asa ko kuma Wambo ward ali Nyambogo. Na ande abantu bako kwa Basamaro abona bako kwa Chira bari kunyomerana abari bosonga ari koka ari toke pira astokokana bochura aba in West Mugrabo constituency tobati ward isano mojali ya waza tobati ward isano and ward isano tobati Nyamaya ward, Township ward, Nyamatuta ward, na Bochura ward, na Busamaro ward. Aba ko Basamaro bari bagramba igoba menyete Mugrango ekora barwa bagutiana yedugo kwa abara basueta bari Mugrango bamenyete Mugrango lakini maba menyete Mugrango bone se ibara West Mugrango constituency abako barunga abari Mugrango ngobago no West Mugrango constituency aiga goba chi location ibere choka bekoro kwa Busamaro Masaba location na Busamaro Chache location Busamaro Masaba location igwa de tsa location ibere choka area karanga na sete kwa choro miye ko hobi elegant kobe na bigere wo akoro Busamaro abakuru Busamaro uya nyare kanete iga eka tu kwa de location ya kwa West Mugrango yomosongo akaikiriki bona batenga kumbe Abasamaro bali to kukima ago tebanga ega ya West Mugrango constituency ega bakayo location bona esa location ya ko Busamaro location otherwise ada West Mugrango location ngaki atena umuntu goje kuteniga ali omuntu yo nomokongo Basamaro kroka do chimara bari kukana ngambe ora ara baba tabana obo kima bako bonaja lat bako bonaja bonus abako ege Samaro ba bonjora adu ba mubiga ba ko weki ka tongo Egasi kwa rumba kwa represent. Iwawa no West Mugirango ese abatokoro kama Samaro kwa tubacha oisatu. Nyombe yamo karibu kubate kwa paso karuraba chirago. Pole. Kwa rewa Samaro na ndo kwa na mukuru ku bag bitwa kwa na era kero kuruga uwindi tuensi kwa kwata bakuraba bagambye aseba manyekanite number 1 Mozamaro mutamani kwa West Mugirango constituency kare kwa Benson Kikorogero 1970 ekero na kwete George Morara nero irete direction akaire direction ya George Morara kwa September 1970 Benson Kikorogero akere chukura mpaka 1974 akaruswa ule nana itaka 1979 mpaka 1982 Kurwa huku Mozamaro kabiro tukua muruko ya sora garuko once ega sora always ega sora garuko kwa Henry Oboja Obonyanja akaira chukura ku 1992 akaira cha 97 na 202 na anda kabo muntu mutanga Nyamira County ngima ko be minister na nere biyo ko be minister Nyamira County since independence akaunti ministry bere akawe ministry ya planning na anda akawe ministry ya energy you go end the late Oboja ngaso ngate Kisi school na ande nero mugambi kurwa unande ono West Mugirango para tora mugambi ya kwa abantu bako kwaneka nande para West Mugirango ne aba Samaro nabo bagusi enyomba ya bagusi para kwate highest IQ bari aba ngaini mono ase abagusi once lakini bari very good in science but they are very good in humanities they are the top lawyers Munyore case ki arenga ICC ki abwate chiloya ibere aba Samaro Gerson Otachi Omanwa nowe urukwa George nowe urukwa Kennedy Ogeto abana bo bate case at ICC Gerson Otachi abwate 6 points over Cardinal Tunga High School and them Kandara High School and I got 19 out of 19 kama kwa University of Nairobi boys later led it also to the law. Now, when I go banga, by the president aba Samaro, Maria Mangai. Lakini yo kuliko 6 lero mandikana to kwa umuntu rukumwini moneza ande umusama computers ime ya Kenya. Aga asiri tuba na asiri mubwaye 19 sira yuko babi michira ase lero kwandra ituko lyale lero yuko babi michira twali jitari ituko lyale kwandra tembo remoko kwa computer sciences at the University of Nairobi. And later I saw University of Nairobi. Lakini asili siekebe niga asilete as accident. The accident was on 19 February 19. God kesa marilinga abakoro kwa obaju bajabo isa to chimanya kaine abakoro kwa ntorome na babo ke goro band bakoro kwa abaju bamenye ko samari abanyage kaba myete ko samari no Maria baraba mu abasaba ni no mu kwa chai als chai bara abanyage ke barude akero ya achoga chache mali halafu ubanje nyumbele Otorome Odisao. Ana tuwa tini grupa Odisao na kia endele grupa. Abo bojo grupa. Gedere ya siri ko duko yora abongo Okirema. That is so eu cambiei com o senhor Colher.
Kia uja ebate, kigogi sa location masaba location West Mugrango constituency Nyamira County. Mumroyo igarenge kugana bo mumroyo mukuru omwanji omulire hoseo mategari mumugana wedi garoria garokorwa Humphreys House igoto gocha kobatebia omugana bo mumroyo mukuru ekenyoro kia uja ebate kigogi sa location masaba location West Mugrango constituency Nyamira County. Mumroyo igarenge kunywesa buna machi agasoma buya gwikari University ya Nairobi na gochakoba umokenya umutangani wasomyo mulimo computer science ali Nairobi University kulende okukwaye okarenta bokendo umusunto monene imya usamaro Nyamira County usiekima na boiga Kenya ine uyo mumuraki umugano oyo nigo koletu asole na umwalimu Johnson Mulias Nyandika wetera owetenenelwa Humphreys House karibu Duke Ombangi Michira nigo iboletu mwaka wa 1944 mutinyuki and 1923 ale West Mugrango location Kisii district na yamanyekanete na abaiboli baye Nyagusira Joseph Michira Usoro na Yobensia Kebo Muswati Wondara Nyangicha Kurwara Teti Kurwara Teti libonye kubanyama ya ward Nyamira County. Mumromo abo Sibia Musburi, Seremina Kwamboka, Bana Bibundi, Nyagusira Barongo na Francesca Kimuma, Steven Nyabuti, Peter Michira na Dominic Michira. Mochokoro, Bosoro na Ondoro Tek, Mochokoro Bosoro na Ondara Nyangicha Kurwara Teti na Muiwa Omirambo. Duke was a computer kuna bande banjete kumuga mbia niga jete agachaka gosoma school ya uroso aria makairuri rugwime agaita mademo aye na waswa mutakara intermediate ase asome tugo ino yokabero muchumbo West Mugrango ya Gusira Benson Kegorogero agaita mademo aye buyamono ase alenge kunywa esabu na mache akarangerwa Government African School iyire Kisii School bonoiga agaita matemo ayebuya na kurangerwa na Nakuru School ase form 5 na form 6 kolende tajido kura kaiga SNG strike mwali oye na itakanyoli baga agasoma aria Kenyatta College Secondary School eyubonoiga ekorwa Kenyatta University aiga akora matemo Kisii agaita anda akora matemo Kenya agaita akarangerwa University ya Nairobi ase aswete faculty ya engineering na gosomera computer amone kisabu onyolenga na akorete degree ya internally na akorete masters kwa University ya Nairobi omali oye na manyekale kwa mugusi omutangani na omuzamaro omutangani wasomia computer science ime yelo ya Kenya ere no musungu lekuru kwa makei na wabatangani uchaka gosomia computer science ime yomucho Kenya oyo Duke Ombangi Michira na chitaka nyolegasi ime ye company yamo ya lekuru kwa International Computer Limited eyo nande ya mweteri baga kwa nda wasoma mumbu ali London ase ekakatuma kwa yomo atare na ucha Kenya na inde ase sikia na chitaka wamu manager o Caltex Kenya kulende maga yaye na itakaira aria se University ya Nairobi asiba omerande na makei na neba chaka wasomia umuru mukuru kwa computer science ase ekenyoro Duke nigo alingo munga omungaini bonyolega alingo mungu mutambe mwamwaku na ande umurabu omachoyo muyakelima ase letabu na omuntu bwanje ne sport Johnson choko mnyoka na wako mpira na ande kumoko anda mono abarote banumura bura mwesibete mono kilima nigo ajete gusanga n'abamwabo na nigo amete ale kibigo tinga kifunyinge ase umugakanyako oyo olenge umunyabiasara omonene mono alia kibigo no bali gutara mono na Nyagusira Nyamwaro Nyarieko na umugaka Samuel Mabeya abuna bubari gutara bumuno arekiriwe nandikanyarikana aigangana bunya matuta karieboko umweji o pastor Simi na komonyoro muswati oye Margaret oyo bamenyete amo na wote oseseriwa na bana baye batano Lucy oyo le form 1 ekarausira na abamabo abasanyi baye abaka berne mono no nyagusira honorable Obocha na honorable Jimmy Amwenyi amo na abandi kero alengenka na jete kubutera alia sepa yumuga kanyaga ya kurukwa na sokoro putere ba no abasamara bangi ba jete kubutera chize chamargoba no mwako yokera chirene volva yaye mwali ko ibeka siko gawo Duke asige siekebe na jete akarwara na gusiria otari wachinya gitari chinyinge ime ya Kenya no Tanzania yake na Butenwek lakini akasiri uruguay kitariki 10 na kianda kutinyoka vile umwaka 1986 ime ya Kenyatta National Hospital ekera usituwe tuma kolende tacha agasira ubwangogo giko bagi nikira agasiria au kimabwaye kali miaka 41 ega kiyo yarengeye kurugura niye para yale metu kurwa kibirigo wekasobo na kurwa nchera ega ikasobo asia muyeteka amatanga alenge amanene chikali baba tebani tangani kire mucha yeye kali kibirigo amatanga aya no samuni achaye akwane tega onye obukima besa ukango ugima wa Duke ubagi michira otwabukora na tagete kobodia chikurari West Mugirango constituency kulende agasiko mwari mwaye o Musometi Mutagara Benson Kigorogero nero likobole chikurega kiyo na nyurukoba umusamaro omungaini muno na nyurukoba umusamaro mutangani umugusiyo mutangani na omukenya mutangani uchaka waso computer sciences ime ya Kenya eke ekagera abana bayibulutuka kiyo ekero Duke asirake bakoroko marieta mono paka bari ko wona Duke mbagi use computer kero ko computer gono ko bombi gono iurenya kusira Duke ombagi michira aba menyi ba mucha ebate ayu ase aba menyi ba mucha ebate eyubo no ba ko kenguru ese ngita bua tipara usestima ale ko samaro wo yele county ni ko ba fulo no ase usira wa Duke ba mucha ba ko boni serikali inya kunywa ko korakende Jones kire nyore mungu mwawo Duke ombagi michira ekatukuri kumwana oyo sitari kinya umuti ya Yusaba 2025 niyo bakorera muno na ebinyoro bibeta na ine bibwate gistima lakini abana babo barabwo ngo barebe subtime batabwati etaya umuroyo naro wetu abana abangirika nayo kuro kwa Duke bagi bono kwa manyire ase ekerete kiao kere Duke bagi michira ni gwara ine chitono chitakwara aria eba tegucha kegogisa location West Mugirango constituency Nyamira County oyo numugano o Duke umbagi michira uri umutangani uchaka wasomi computer sciences umugusi umutangani uchaka wasomi computer sciences ya Kenya na woiko umugusi umusamaro umutangani wasomi computer sciences ya Kenya umugano uyo oletu sole na Johnson Murias Nyandika wetera ogosirwa wa Humphreys Hill House. Duke Mbali Michira nenyurwe asa matuka mange agocha.
High above Kissy, where the sky stretches wide.
Of course.
Mwaiguro mugano yo odiuka ono rende tamoto watawo muroine ro mutangani ando detai ase Kenya ingima osomia computer sciences baada ya kutoka masomo kwa makei ono today muroja se computers cheki Kenya akiri auso boka ya sababu kuchire bale ndio kwa na bwana kwa sika jorokia hukumu na kile mazao kile chikoni yuba desti akiri auso boka ni hiyo aberege sunte baka bwana ase asbako kwa kucha ikota toka ndio mkutano lakini tutara kwenda tutatoka kuna introductions as bali baito baikirega sengencho ya kiro monte kwanere koda takato chako maegaria kiro monte kwanere taria abantu bengwa ya kwane good went a few introductions as well a few introductions from the audience. We'd like to have your name captured online by you saying Retaria. The answer is Greg
Awana mukuzina bakwani sama yete Elizabeth Kirugu ondai mwenye
karibu. Next. What nungo kwa badri bari ukwana nungo radira
kwa kwano wensi kuyambo amareta mbunare muri zatemo engwa dances.
After the introduction we talk on the street as maga na mobo otosomi goreji which is books about kuna Franklin uyo Franklin friends with the get them news as it said kumara omo the west for mwara katika mumai ama na kwa wenda au mesema ya sana
Omubaliza kawana kabana katende omubaliza kawana kabana katende wana mane wana
Tongo George.
Tongo gani?
Wilson amea gorgonjali maji chingula 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 ndio ile bokia kibero katika sio mmoja.
Ya wana.
Brave yeto.
Into kwa ile vya. Sisi mama kwa
Yes. Wao kwa ndio? Mbiamo.
Tongo George.
Tongo gaya. Ogaya.
Nyamara pia usinange. Wagira kumate. Ekolisa liboge tuti. Enda yancho. Asanya ngira. Ego kusamu nyanga kianga. Yango yo nyaega. Nyaega no yo gotero. Otero no yo piabango no musi. Korwa. Kyonga hisyo amemba. Asungara Kurmanga. Nyangira. Nyangira kurmanga. Nonde mwamu. Nyangira wale kwa kunyangira. Ndio mwamu ndio kwa. Nyangira. Kurmanga. Sekirara ale kwa ika so jukuma isano ne monge. Pecho. Igo.
Nagokire sana litukulia lero. Nagokire sana goreke si. Naende kugorea mama si. Asa maleta ngoro ku Catherine kemoto ama. Niko hapa na akimoko na brasa yitenge kusiwa no bora toka na kwa.
Niko ada moja.
Alenga ndari jumi ndo dinero kogorosi. Alenga ndari jumi ndo dinero kogorosi.
Nere tukoli sanga ngigene gota lega semu rogelioyo kwa kerambi mono Mr. Obino asengecho atwarega netigo tagaiga nende twacha ne family ngima maybe atasalimia alafu tuintroduce watoto mwambie
Samareta ngoro Joshua Bondari no manjoge cha chiturugia ahobe cha kobamo na kusanga monaina ndio la shot ise kero tualenga na ile mitanya bana nino tevina tochi for the first time ahobe ko kubati umurobili weke busina nto ambassador ya baya ase culture ndio kubusinya
mwana ndo chora ndako cha kubandai wangu ila
Hi. Hi.
My name is Kajan Kasunamani.
Hi.
My name is Samuel Mati.
Because of Kenya Girl Guide, nilimpatia salute my fellow commissioner from Scouts Nchende Kenya Girl Guide. Kenya Girl Guide Association neyo golo oko kinia baisike na gokonya banina supportia banina banale kuendeleza culture. Actually we have this issue of culture. Kwa ena natore honors share culture. Bueno, Naroli Rase, but I think about Gota from Kenya Galgate, they come and learn.
Aquí cuando la puta, hay más de un coche, cocha.
Yo no tengo calidad.
Ah, puya,
¿Tú me quieres esto?
Mate.
Yo ya no puedo no hará tu música. Oh, no.
I'm taking.
Ya live.
Aquí te gama de que sí, atrás. Aquí mano muro de una lega. Y la meña te buona.
Ah.
Na mana panyora nganje mbi. Mano, con uno la suarete. Yo voy a tener más dai. Tapi ai. Bo yo no mano pa masikani. Na to ko sero mo. Digo ko nyoro la sa ko mo. Tapi tu numbi ko mera ke manya da ko ele ko. Diga meña te se mata ngire kase nyama. Mano galinge omuya yani takwate kwero. Yo è claro che sono scuole secondarie. Una come non vuol fare, non ha. Mi lo so. O mano moida. O nani wetu ko so do minyoka. Na ida kwa menete. Ina mo kebo. Kini ka kwata maskani wa dobon sigaro chenga mu abanyumba bale. Sigo mwana yo kwa skulu ya amaskani aye. Ege ndokere kiyapi. Hantu ayo bomina. Maide una tuaswa ege kansa mona. Kina ibona mtu mmoja. Nake ombati paka mahali. Ngongoli ka jumu ngitali bobe. Nga kya manyi ngakire. Ngongoli ba ba to nyori. Ngai ka ji twara kwara ni matwara nyunda.
Okay, before I finish, I'm finishing. Yani nimefurahi sana. I came here for a reason naona. Mungu alikuwa amepanga. I want to thank Mr. Humphrey. Congratulations the first place. Alikuwa akiniambia about this place. But nimefika hapa, I'm just murdered na nimeweza kuona mwenyewe, tunaweza kushukuru sana. So I'm the regional commissioner wa Nyanza, Kenya Galgate. So I'm sure we're going to do most things together. We have an organization called Global Talanta. If you have Google Talanta Kings, Talanta Women, we have that organization. We are the founders and we are nurturing talent and empowering the community. Kina mama says we have several of them. Na nashukuru sana. So thanks for this opportunity. I am sure we are going to walk the journey together and ensure that our culture is felt. Na haitapotea. Yeah, we'll put our hand. Thank you very
Regional Commissioner Gargai, we are humbled to be with you tonight. And we are also doing something with our television, KCTV. We shall promote whatever that we do. We can live with Oromoji. Ayoromo Baba Musansa was almost so. Oromo Gisemo was almost Sansa, was Oromo, was almost said. Yo, I can't go to my head to see what you mean. We are my name. Say what was you. I don't know. My mother, some man. I'm at the back, yes.
Bueno, kaya. Pues es que muyaso que wango. Ay, macho salure. Pues es que muyaso que wango. Ay, macho salure. Que muyaso que wango. Ay, macho salure. Ay, macho salure. Que wango. Ay, macho salure. Que muyaso que wango. Ay, macho salure. Asama que tango lo que ndo yo mukora bontita usto nyakundi o que bagendi omochi porwa ibo getutu jene members embuba dancers. Thank you.
Ole roba metro mlore miaka 118 ya kusunge mojo koro. Next
Thank you.
we have
Samaritan Kuru Helen Mora.
Madam Commissioner, those are your grants. These are students from Marrakech Secondary School.
Oh.
These ones went to nationals in drama. They have supported them. They have come here today. So we work with this one. She will now find the info. Yes.
My name is Elaine Morache Chiche. I'm from Malaki.
Good. So, Burusi, you introduce yourself again. Now, what to say?
Iche tongoro kaya masoge yawara obiru iche bundu singoro kwa ya banyandu arwa bundu kandi kwa sirti bundu sinari iche gonde iche bene kiabo bongo garu mocho koro manene gona monyerero bonge yite iche monyerero omonyerero no kisuba gere kumuga kiamene bogara bombo ngo tambole Motori motamba sebali tonyo cherete guru nisa naba nguru na kia rete nisa kubacha kwa omo kubo yoriko rukunga nere yagontu bobwate tinyaro kachiyo kabaka
Toramo Bueno,
Pigara kore chagutu.
Nyagontu kwa
bobwate tinyaro
I get ready, Mr. Nyamoko. After this, I have left some people, about 7 of them. One after one. I will do some of that. Now I will take stage for the introduce Kamisa Chaka or Chaka. It's important.
Iche kwa Nicholas Mungus. Nicholas ni ria banyandu waro kusaba Mungusi gondo yo ngare ngaru mukaya. Asinge je chincheri mesa. Tini ko genda atambe igonde gechembene kiabo ngo wetero mukungu okane Okorukerugo, Musubati Okebobo, Urukeira. Nchegonde Mwagongo. Ogongo garu mucho kwa manene, nchegonde Ogongo garu mucho kwa manene, Onyakundi. Nchegonde, Egechembe ne, Kiabu Gongo, Wetero Munina, Okano Kerugo, Musubati Okebobo, Urukeira. Aba Kitusu na Moto Irogeteiga, Turabantu Mukungu. Mukungu Yorokoruganere, Yabontuga. Mo isera abwate chinyaro kachio kabaka abaiseke bo kabaka kianda konyoro myangora mangengu chikorire onyagata yuchi Rusia omuntu tokoro koge kochi Rusia omuntu ligere tinse rombeto nya imokerera igoro kona nyaba omuoge bura abantu barero angachio mbekia nyomere kono muiro ngogore konyoro kisuba gere chiai umuntu yagasa kenga nyako chibuwa umanga umuisekera arengo aku tak kau mesti koyo. Orang kan ni cium cisuba ke orang ni, ciri ciri yang kau temen. Jadi mukungu you are oseti, awak kau belum masak cina lalu dia mukungu. Akai mu kiri cimo, kiri cimo mukungu aku mu kiri. Kau ikario, kau orang kata kaya mukungu tanya kau terus kau malu ni bawa terus arok terus. Mukungu tapi yang bawa mukungu. Orang tu mesti koyo bapa mucibu isera. Banjar. Tini ni rumo kuisera usonya yana mawo chikomura akagenda akareto mu busero inyumba yo musamo mu rugo kumumbi abo sisi urenda akanyora mungina mwana kyo na kali kende agatuta kugwa abantu ndi agantaka sini ngosa kalini mwana ni ari kindi naba kitura enchara tuduga kira bana to enchara ama tukana to mungina toretero mwana to kwani mwana kiba toretero mwana ochi basadari murari netu pero mwana ubu aro chikira to ni kanji ni ndage ni murari nana digariru Mante biga kibono mwana no ne buka no na bolti muite ko ga ya amare tarindi kisuba gere chipai je bwa chi diria nete chi bori chi munyanse usamba chi ngoje bantu bakarangira eme ine gaterwa bumanga yakundio gale okututo gale ono rende mo bituto kagalero okabono twegenda kiagara twabaiga no mukungu italiere timei Ero que le tengo que na gokire que na basigai silendo Kuko ni na watu hata kana ni ule kwa sisi kia Kenya basigai ndani ni kimiki already kabo ni kibono mtu kira yangule oruba ni jatra wa yangora sisi kunduri kubo yangule na ni tu sema montaru kuja kundi monoko ikango Ende tua teba ngacia nyamuntuga nyamuntuke bande cia tindu matoke so padora kisuka kene kia asire umukungu ya kaba umukungu ria cia watagire tinda akaya karosige sakwiti ende tua teba ngabantu umukungu omunda aboto uno aruko no ko garura ngana batemba kabaje kurora Kaya tadi tu untuk punya pisau, dah aku lupa nya tadi. Dia kira aku orang yang lupa aja. Tiga hari tuan, cari muka kanuan. Bukan kira aku orang yang lupa aja. Tiga hari kira aku lupa itu caci, asal aku lupa ya begini. Bukan aku itu mau canana. Omuchini bweli gache limo na mebwanse amagana kianda na merongo kianda na merongo tani tatu ni tatu 1883 emiyake tani gaeta injara ya makonkiro ikamanya ino no mugano na ndi wate mato ikaso na choge wate ba usletungo ge oyo bitete engoge usonya chechereti usonya chechereti Tacha minto muari gani ni keso tu kan. Iya mana nato. Uno. Harga dia bawa kaya moko. Uno Uno. Harga dia moko. Uno harga dia moko. Oke.
Thank you.
Buangata. Buangata.
Yagaron.
Oda. Mau ada semua. Jangan mau kongguru pun. Mau kau digere dia. Ibu kalau entah mana. Tak boleh. Gondo mau macam apa? Bagi ada no momba aku itu gini.
Hotel.
Momba ya. Oyo keno no lete agatigo mokanya
And that is how you should introduce yourself.
Ono naje mata kanye manyakan. Kuna kumboli ase. Longoro kwa. Yamokoma. Musito nyama. Mocho koronya. Mocho koro kindo. Kindo liana mondus. Liana sotomono. Montengere. Musito sekeragi. Oyo go tindio sueto. Oyo ora como macho que borio yo ora tengo que ta wetera que sieri que sa. Weria funa me anyu maje lege sa ku ago kuna. Engere rianya gen. Engere riara. Enkoro ya uma chua. Sueto ngoge. Mucho por una banchar, ya yo más de tiempo que ngoge ta wetera que sieri que sa ku kuna. Anyu maje na sa ku kuna. Mungu ke tukakiamo kuchikia ramani ga kioma tobukare mwi wetu siba baru wetu wana mangana ndeta rotaria ile walimu wanasema wiki ya eta nka tokea kereria yule getenya ngomonyole tukate walimu na getenya ngo ekokonya bakungu yakonya kinyaroka kiri kigukuru yakonya na kikiara yakonya omugusi ebintu bibagoroka chenda what madam karenchia lengo ekero bwate gatenya oko beko mugukoiga iyo murare ga okome waya na nusu mulingo cha bateka bana kari kwa ke gatenya kia honko kwaga kwa mugwesi umeto oyo repi Rona abanyina abanyake muabaro mwaro monyo manake kora ga mwaje te busonga ari kapto na kwane te goro yo manyake kinga kinchi toke kwa era bana te tu kwane goro yichi senu chumusi oburoso wichi senu chumusi bari mo asomira ndo eko kumukunganya kumugusi ojakiro beriare umugusi gare ngumungai obutukie bagoteba umugusi igare ngumu Israeli aba Israeli bari baire tu Misiri bagachikomenyo ekere Musa ko basokia bakenentia kunyagora mari ngai kainatige bari bande bakora ngati bakasoka bakunzi kuba buwati bakanyora bachire enyanja erengaki embalire bakachiwake sabu chine chisemi wonongo bakati bachiwaka aya mono chisiminchi are kende kiare no bachibuchi bakachikobwati bakabwati naye ronyero ukul naye bakabwati Kong babaroji bakabwati kisemi kyomugusi ekiansa korobekana
ekira yale kwebanga ngangaki akwamboka orochiro kurukunga naye bekere bai ko bagatebania ligene ibeke togende bande basiba bintu byaba bakatumia jisen bakamboka konya oburarobulia wa River Nile chinia no manyete chinia kimori oborose tu mu macho amacho kana bataba ngai inside bataba ngai nero oborose ngware ngiro one kire bai ka bokanda abagusi ngai ni gwabo ngware nginga gwikaturigia se atobu enda ere kwama na saga ya bana baito bakomenya na saga ya chombe chitu chigo karanga chikolisi ekere bai kabuganda ali sakuru kunge ekyo geswa chombe cyaba kinahanza gukwa abana bakaba kuera bagateba bona sa bagakora egekara bagateba sa ngutukolera abantu chombe bari kubara umwe mugusi igari kubara chombe nebite una ngombe yaso egetugia korangaki egetugia korangaki ubibo korangaki chigo sok chiko irana ekamo kengo tigara abamura bate venga ichakora zeki tinta etiko ganda te kisi migration sa lakini ndio etiko ganda asike ndio kurukuna umugusi tabwate gitabu tabwata sa kolika lakini abatukie bagota yangu umugusi noyomo which kabira chiabwate obungai wayo ntegerera mara muno obungai ni gware obungai ni umugusi ebugwanza okunyomerana usoko nyombe madam chinga giji chiarero divorce yechikora tanga in fact I was handling a case of divorce na kiagera na ngochara kebe mana ba yekeru interview chinga matia watu bagore bali omugusi obungai arikorendera omuntu taseriwa uno musubati orubonye osane chibo kabere nonyo kanya kwa tongiri bago yatondusi
tena minya bala rya basinanga
aba gusiye ba manyete nga bago tigira abana libaga igo bagusai aba gusiye bare kukaransa omungina no mugaga ate abachombe njikora taki nchira wikomo muro yakoraki anyuombe nabu agota ibyo mu murango yagoro kunyo tari mu muro okoranga ukubata baikaraza nebora ninga intwe guna torega nabaro bitoro ngende ngata bara tarinki nabaro bitoro oye bara banyana bate nabanyana bitoro montegera oye bara bari bate ba nabari mtokara taki tole bodo gere banyori ninga nabaro igo bako genda somoro gyumwabo bamotebi twakire ogete kutusiganira ki inyaruka oyo moro gyumwabo namanyete nga nomoro ki naba baza ko motebi natko bariye inyaruka nomoro bona ako gende sigani isamanye tomoro gyumwabo akorete ki asigani
igo Amarogia na yaye.
Weka bono.
Gracias guía en Italia, Amarogia. Amarogia en Italia. Amarogia en Italia. Ayo mongino yo. Amarogia en Italia. Amarogia en Italia. Yo tengo cuatro. Amarogia en Italia. Mongina ahí.
singina no moro isa no moro nyaroka no moro umusigani no moro wewe ulikumonyoma no moro bone kera ikire nkali botuko ya ikire mboro chiro osokiro botuko ya ikire ngote luwana toke ende biuni naka ani nuko naka kete biuni bilwa hapa tako kana wale okunye busa omonta koyo busa aho teto sibe noka ya bono ya mwangu ngai ngumubusa ya rekoba no muri usigane igomoro umuri miyo nyarukeye na yo umuri ukiri umuci w'amaro aki wo tukata yo ngatoga ande pi umuci nayo intege divorce maro ni no mo kushia ni mo ngai no mo ngai awa foi te no ko rukunga confliction kina nkiare ngoge ku ambunga divorce onya koro mwaro ubusigane runga mwaro onya koro umokongu asemere ubusigane runga to mokongu asemere very good divorce ni hano te nende omunyanani no munyanani omotengi Omonyaro koso me ose mpie chikuwa nyangu na daktari wikarasi omaye ujira sene contact Nyokana iku biyo sisi ndamu ngajua jere contact
Umrana wako nyonga contact
Dori gere bonga yikumu Ntakete ko bongusanga enda bwangu Mbare ntanga ono nyaruki atara leto kigari kuwa singina ko nina kuru umwaruke sawo chikomera boy ebinta wo chikotoro ebinta ubuna sawa wo chikomera una kore ekeke boy kwage nina ko ina risukuru ntangani esukuru ntangani yomusi abana kinyaruka igo bari kuyiwa singo asimita goro nero goro kere nabana bamura bayirunge sarate nakinga kijinde ase sokore yao akonyuki ekerangesa wewe wanane bona obino no moise kago telunga wana wako gendari matuko maka ojo ko mukyo wata erugo dito ekere bogo jaiga bogo liyo wata kuno moto wa bara muri korora abantu none kichiro abantu bakugura magena bagutakuna amagena akayenya roke yamanyira onye torokerere muri korora bakugura bintu kito yabagutakuna ngane kere tage korotena wono mwana obeire ya nguchiar kono wata erugo genda okono huko tu agwata abali mwaba igo bari ko rukuna abarabi aserida yige songo bago rukuna mid what abana buba sommerete uno mwana kera kuamira usilinda nga kia baraki akasokyo umuntu bwigota bwate masikani ese batebirero mumanya ekere yokire no mukungu kubina usikubia usinyirugo koranga kikubia igakubwatu kabisa nonde bwese abasaja bacho rusirikiana wa muntu Ines kuruaya moyuwe mariko ane jere ngara ro ki mogol ko so moko barala naba mumuro isomoke naba igaro kubwatu mumuri uta vale naba mwana kisa njomo gusimu ogo sinya mba bwata mariyo mama kora we bali mbere yende kwenda kuwa kunga wajakoya abana rero amanya mu gusi kaza lidiga tike akanya sora kariya sulu ntuba kaegwe umusuwate kubina usinyero kuibora sengo bya kuibora ngombe agaraki kubya asibi wa majari unasiba igako mokoriba limu umana korema ote bunga moraone ibunes is musa bono no bali mu bwinya so umanya muri umana yo sakara kaka moya kwena ilikuwa ko Kenyatta oiwa akani timilioni chaka nu otenyo yo kaya kone denyo mwana wa so kire bona wona kise kyoko na rumwa umwana no baso kire Rob si vare como guata, como raro. Vamos, vamos. Onde tá de conhegueira? A mamãe agora ele. Caralho. Vamos lá. O mundo agora ele não. Muito ueda mangana. Bueno, oye ya que ni oro que tu buena. Coro. Una coro do, ¿verdad? Una coro de yo. Yo torte. Media kori avec yo total mona kori ji sa lara e vindo vindo avec keki ke nyo we koranga ke buto ke bu anya wa ga ke bu na wa inya gitari ki ba oh mano yo pasa como test no mani uchiko chimo na uchiko no madam na vai botar esse que serve que é. Vamos logo. Mas não, não ganho hoje agora. Doutor que era hora aqui. Wanu mwana wa ya korero. Na abaga. Na mwana bangi na kurumumura. Ko kani warayo mbaba ko minokera mata mu bwango tiko mwana ara korangati ara uchecha ara bomonene abantu munaba nabura bange bari botomuge sarate bagenda ororo omwana ara bomonene amanye gucha kwagulirwa mumacho kwagulirwa mumacho kwagulirwa no mwana yekera agole maybe tono biri arenga akiamo kimwa ebilokaranga ki ebikwa no kono kwa agole yani mungu kwa nani ngene na karanga ki kono wana omo usi na wate kisukuru kya Escuro de nada tá como mãe. Escuro é mo é ali. Ali. Coro ya roca cara. Digo tinha um chuju um que quando ele lá. Nambari ko é da bolsa. No poro que ele guarda agora não. Não quero ir lá você. Naba mura bairwa abanda soko bari babera abanene bagenda kisarati mubere kisukuru nyuma wase ukibare gucyo isarati no gukoroke kere kwarunge ibu ukiwo cyane gucyo bari mu arenga senemetinye bere haite utuwa rande peke kai una koro kiguru durigi na ina ya mnyama ya chita siri nani ibonge tia manos ende yo te ne bangi to kuji konyora abana bari barokire bonse pi be miaka gati ya 16 wochase to banyora to korokere to no karibushu mwenye mweka nona ona abana ekira bachira muy bote sarati nesukuru tinakoro nesukuru lakini batarajia abantu ngora agenda barinda inyanga. There is this that you call gender fire. Ngopwanka gender fire. Iwo ndare go bata bigara yaronte nera so ushigwe no nga mugusita arenge kwa. N'abantu basarikire. Baba kebutoke baganza gotera bo. Kebutoke. Kebutoke. Ya yo ye. Ya ye. Pari re buya. Pari ke nunca ya. Tega la mano. Ogosara, ego kodwase ogosara na. Ne aina ye taro. Alkora nguma ukwavero mondo mona sikware ande no more mo kora taki no more more lakini abagante ndigo kebutoke ekamachana ki ekamachana ki bona bana ekere bara mba bwata bali obana bamura digamba ndu baragumugweka mba bwata bali limna bakoterero bali chaba muramba ko chaba muramba ka Ono mwana ulilia rualia no akuiwe sukuru ekorokunga kwa mwenye wetu esukuru ekorokunga ki kwa secondary warabeye nyabwata abalimu bakorokwa abanyabisero abali bakorokunga ki abanyabisero abalimu amba bwata baka headmaster ekorokunga ki sokoro orekorokunga ki sokoro gose emiti enene gose ngaki emiti enene onero ringi kapteni bisongwini nero moteneneri wokorenda umwaro uyu orokereribwe onsipi aya gusikomonyora kurweka godie paka na manganaya kayara koru akworokereri eso tukoliaki eso nero ya renge ekerasie kenene kia moro kere kwanza wale ya nyasugutaba ine suguta ya baraki kuri nanda bono kwatayibuka no saba kali une sugute no abantu bahomba kuje une sugute oroke kumuna kolende sugute sebo era cyo sebo komune sugute kine era abantu baje kubuja munaki bona abanyabisenga aba itukorikia wanya na abaise kukuba ya nyasugutaba esaba wale nyasugutaba esaba nyokomokole mire jira yora nyokomokole mire jira mbole oh ngakile ya akuibwa senya enyabu inyora nanye tereretu esimbore liyata nga otaro chitigati kwero le enyamweli ekorwara enyamweli nenya bubu enyamweli nchuno emangu chichofe choligerinya mwili ekulwengu umuntu mwa wesaya lakini omoremu otebange eyinero ntoyetokoranga
omuyibwengesero
Yesu eyiyewo kikoba mumatinga meyinja abarataki ono oyeworosiaga orosiago manyanga noboremu akubundiso taligendo kene noboremu abaranga akubundiso noboteneneri munawe kikoba omoremu gotenere family yake in that format bono me kwa worosiago hotelibwa bona abanyabisango bakomode benyabubu nawe yariko rukwiti yitu kebuja ikonyegeri kuja ekokonyora yumware ikwasamyo munu ikomeze kuwikarinda unacheke okekegu kenyasike ekegu mu ikiro uko na chachinya mecho ikigukuruka lakini uko na chamara uko na chama ni alibikunda abate aye ono mumugo yote bana machi buji nkibara abantu abagusiye bamwe bayire bana cha iyo ikerasi bayira barenta gatom vamos etone que subir no como de compu bari menguro bari tunde kansa bari yege ton ono abanyabisenga aba gwari gani bakarumwaro inyabu gweje okaranga ikikomo ono ige tonto ige ro kobe kana yabubu oina ige muno gosukuma ige kama na kobori bunga kama na kobori bunga ndakoekerogo noye we tonto keli kuna kabere yakana ewoja goikama orayu mwarere ora nsiasa ngokulerana osugu ngoja enyabu wedio karanga oju ngoja takukaraga kaimwaira umbuna nene dia karaga oya kuliyo ngana yoro vera abati oja nyabu unjare ngani nege tona la kolile ndokugiye otemwe ya kururero obare mu gwatwa oreme ukinye family yao nabo wango mononkore mangana mande mere moki mere meyon sva okwana physics chemistry kiamo ne raba kusiba ra karanga right also ande hakiti na saba kusiba ru sentiki subject wara also I want to give you una bono physics mosi lero yo wa batanga ni ba sete kuoro ki physics physics wala embuto abeka bali mata momo yo sabako bali ile siringi baba jara kango babeka matari akora ngokyo molo kora physics mbari gochikogora mbari obarangi mbari ko mulero karanga is that not physics yes now study mwe mtu ukwana baoro kimna wale ko bia bia bana ose mwe ni bigwa hiyo yeah mtu akwana ndio ndio sio kwa ni na wale bia bana accounting ina bata bimna bana ko kebite ko bara kuna jombe tibo soka geography ya nanga na nitowe siku kubara bana ba hasa bantu bakora taki sasa bantu bale mbo mwere accounts ya rura yeah chemistry njia lego chemistry data memera data chinkara amaje rukani amaruaba abantu bakora maki is that not chemistry yeah so you want I know so you want I baka home science ya karata ki ya hengo bona bitabu kile ndagara bya na koli ndagara uzana mundu nagenda wakole bitabu kile bari koli yonda riko batenge bitabu mbya karata ki ya tagara na bono mwingi ebitabu abagusi bari koli memories kiabo iko bariko barachinga nebiro ibintu mbirimo gukorwa nka disaster neji outbreak neji instant ndariko babigera seru muri abaraje right munabona abantu bariya bamanyete obo sisambwa ligiko osisambwa ligiko That was in the year 1876. Nariri obosisa obutangani bwachetana 1876. Ekero koyuma oyakaiburwa esigi ya nyamiyoro. No mwe to kolika bomo gusi. Oyakaiburwa esigi ya nyamiyoro. Entanga 1914. Akaber 45. Money word. Yeah. Sanya marigiri lero, sanya marigiri, sanya marigiri. Sanya marigiri, sanya marigiri lero, 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 sanya marigiri omugusi yakolika weteraki owatera omutita byomugusi neye nemareri yachete in the year 1877 asi yakoreta machira nekenyerwekuwa kesieka ogetutu emekiega siku bantu bakakwa mareri ekaita bantu mbagwate bumanyi emekiende gasiekwa ono genda jirogeze ni jiro jigoro kungaki yesieke yo umwaka na wata 1877 na yuko rwero kwaje to kushia ukaona rege akubyo imejiga koranga igasie bagara yara wegoro kungaki ono sabantu bali abanene aina mariko ocha sobongo bwabo bamanyete ngareri ngana ri abanyorete 1877 Dari guru magana makaya mko to buato abantu bagungunya mko bunaje obo rwero mwe bwaje te gusi enya moko gukubwara wabimba ogwateka amanyinga abasoka wabiswa tosanga nake batama ebyo bisongo moko kwa ripros yenya ati kushia ekaitaba lakini asengi tumo kushia tabu ate bitabu ako iho haya okora mwana asende kano nokote and that was in the year 1892 lakini moke ya kora kushia nebinde binge muna kisao bakusimba bwata bakulika tukarwana n'abasibisi tukakora bebari kwenye rokese igiya
sawa sawa
lakini bona sabantu bali bamanyete ese iye sawa sawa amara batatu was in the year 1893 aliye sawa sawa ya kana taki usi ande ukulika bale obumanyi bwabo nebinyoli byabo wetana nebyateko byarego cyaseki asensi munabona korone yakoraki yachicha wanye no mugusi abane bari goroku nyama moda kama baro keno nyama lakini lingana
nyama
elieta lili muamini musiamini mimi na huyu mzee ndio tulileta nyama ngangenda gukora oyo uri no kuboria bori mwalimu naswa ingo naboria ni tato igomo gwetenga enyama onye ne chinga kichicho mugusio lyo kala igo yare kobeku okay amana yari ko emiaka ebigori bigote lakini mtu manyetenga COVID ya jeta umwako yogoro ekere ya jeta witu kutai nje umwako ngaikara nkoboli umwako yongaki nitange interview bisongo byako simple to musikinya maji jiji ekere ya vera active ngakiyo garaki kubiye tukanyaranga yegoja ya sawa ama ya aba wiki waka ogisikeni ya garaki yasi ono lindi goko genda bosonga oxygen yo garaki okowe ama ya atu ale bi wa sa garaki wa kembe kanyero Kenya gokora chinguru chia maya muntu garaki wana anya no moedio omo kusina bwate sukuru yet na bwate sukuru una moegure na kalile korende chisukuru nchi achitichika kina na muntu tawase kubangaina iri mwaro tengo sabero uhuru ali study masuka ya renga national celebration ingo kikiri nyama ino tungushia ali na asa ninje na asabete nyama ya koraki age ba kwa hata na chama na ya ya ni na nyama na no kwenye no ko enyama ya koranga monta ya rata aba usi ba kwate tsukuru mwe wetera ira ekena na ko rabo sapo awatera no waki kuna tara ko awate bie ulimwengu nga aba Afrika ba wate dini yabo ba rao koranga ba sasa na ene na kena mtu wate dini yaito yari ko rukunya mwimbo sagara na mungu omo gusi na wate dini yari ko rukunya dini ya mungu ngakinya mungu ye yarenge nankaya abantu bare kuorokendo esukuru yabe yari ko rukwesa monyi wetu esukuru seke gusige ko rukunyesa sabai isaba ndo bana baje kuoroka sukuru nege songo takita hono omo gusi na wate kisema akoma yana biba subia mwana kurwa yagenda bakari kike bano weke uri gusia yagenda kandi yagenda yatiyogora kuika kinguru kibari ono mwana kanyoli umwana umukungu umungai yakolero bwako mwana ubeka chimbere chingokero cyari eri umubaso batebaliyo bakoranga bike asiri yoberi chinguru nchiro cyobonya sai engoro tata oyo tobusasi nabono asikisaba no mugusi ariko genda worokereriko emetako they call it religious rituals conduct segeso no bariko nabajogarana worokereriko nonye no gusabe ngori abantu bari ba kare bali abangaini bakire no bongaini yo bakwara kwa manga kwara ho muliro go tuko gachisa kwa kwara maraika abara abo eri yo bino na ile to ko koronete jingoro kire na wakire abantu bakotero abantu bayiriato emerero yoko uwechikogenda gento kenyo kiyeto muntu takara dikitai abantu bakolire bibe rero namugari amakora muliro ma ebibe ala wano da ukore oyo kora obungene womusi monya vele onyo mu tukura abuna bungusi omuntu okora obungene womusi Yesu kuru yomusi iwe ya in the year 1919 lakini yeseri yaanzete in the year 1905 ekera bangere sabaja omo gambi orekoro kunga angueni mosinto kingoina no maite kita
Digo maito
research yomusi ile kwaro kinga eno mojibore lakini gari ngo mbisa kwa musi onya lero ngo barwete nyombe lakini akana ngo ganga
ilikuwa
akana ngo mbisa kwa musi lero kwaro kia bangera sana aba bicho donye no tenyo yomo nya ngwana ngatairi onya tadi angwe nyina ro wala entera ngo tenyo mo kol gingo kai mo kwata historia angwe ya egare ngo motuki wo mungwe beru bono bagacha bagasirikise mikiju bebe basangererie bango bakareta ba missionary mwana yo mwana age tu skuru takitari kwa soma como history fikiraje o ultuga ile time living history yula ile time living history o mwana ya anyo gaitu mwana kongi tana living history nge ibure ndoro yiti tukare kama ninge ndoro royi na kenti living mongi tana chindani mbali na tenti living history balanza kutobetereri toyande yisukuru cyarande tunaba missionary tosome tubaguri tokorega so egi bantu tuto ni ngai umusi okaera in the year 1919 tuanza kubwat kisemi chake shomuso no musongo otakiruseti yande igakiruseti ase omu Afrika bono boikerabo onda nare kende chante omontora ogosamba wibisarate nare no gite kemuke manya abamwate abamonya bere omontora ogosamba kwibisarate no yomugando inakora in the year 1905 ebisarate byose bikabe ku marufuku moni wetu ebintu bikoro kunga ebisa ebigutu kituleti ligo kibuli abantu bakasokunga karuma abo ntwa somoso ngako banyora obaruseba moni wetu mangana hiyo mwana wegera ngora yuko como sigande ya roka omwelio mwigweta matero kugwa kuliro usisa no gukora onye dikata gwate tuone angegwa kata ibonga so usisa igie ngoko mabuta iberi to weka mabuta to koraki nyerete semuru tereko weko mwana olio mubisi no burangeti anguso moikoli obo sisa kwe kwenda mwe wana kikata gwate tuone angegwa kata ya mono ango nerabu ngote ya mono naende mwenyorenga nkobanga tore abana myaka 16 gojase nalinda gote to nteke yoro to ba rokereri osemba beba
we want to welcome each and every one of you has come. We have done a bit of introduction, but we want to allow everybody that we are in the house with the minister in charge of tourism in Kisii County, Mheshimiwa Anawicha. We also with the chief officer, Mr. Baba, also from the and we wanted to say that we are very grateful because once you are here, it means that the entire county is around, because on behalf of the entire county of Kisii, you have represented your people and you are here. And I wanted to tell you a small brief so that you prepare to know that this is a rules in Rigena, you go to Watawana. You have been school because we don't have this one in class. This is related from generation to generation. See in the area, so this is the natural stone from South Mufranco, done by our own around here. And I wanted to let you know that in the house we have Mr. Mino Nyambane, who was in China for the last 3 weeks, a few 3 weeks ago, and he was promoting Kenyan tourism. He has a bit of things that he's going to tell us at the end. Today, we were talking about the Masamo, we have done a summary, and we have talked about one man who was the first Kenyan to start teaching computer science at the University of Nairobi, the late Duke Bichira, who died aged 41 in 1986. We will follow up with us as we go on. The rest of the guests who have just come, kindly welcome to this event. Now, I'm going to ask Frank Makini to come and now tell us more trends about education. Welcome to Nakire, Tukara, and Grimwabo. I tell you, Frank Makini. the age of 120. And they warned him in 7 days that he was going to die. Now I'm going. So you are listening to a man who has a lot of knowledge from Obasi. Masige, Bagesaka, Asaba Devanga, Bagesaka, Mbalikore Manya in the Kabasebe. Nyeneke asebe. Oyo no mwalimu, oyo no musigali, oyo no administrator. Nando muntu kwanje ke usima musa. Lero koto tebyari the trends tigendrete miye usima. One, toda do kubulga makumu ali usima. Oite bukaya kanyenya.
Makini mauti ugali ukara ikaro saraga ito nyango mugacho sitera nyamata na to mwatu yabatebiri ngana ingaki aba murabale baka bakuri aba mbalo yo kwa wangacha ekiagere mutenja arengo meke yari ko gero umuntu atenga waruke moto ya muri kuru kumusojo moto ndoro kumumubo moto ndoro kumusa musasa musari omoto ndoro kwa moterere uyu ndoro kumusa bakwa umusuto ane yo mlango etabale wapungu wako wale na gitara mama nakawa makada umusacha burungi yale kuraba prepared naba kisanyoki bali bamugwete miyakameke nucho gende iburu eli rata na gendo ebitugi ata bile meteni patiki algo agotenya ego chukole nomura keratenira kuri ono kuirwara asomo musa ma bilia turu komuna ibe ururu kuchinyandu kogenda ubo chago ikaroche mo bero bere nam bana ko beta bintu ngata mo ko mo manye you know the meaning singa timadi te ko usiba ka ko sana Anastasia sana Kwanya na state ya vei ase okoruri kuweka no kubekro rochi oba ta bamule abantu no ba create the conscience why jaba tena ngema when I look at it closer to Calvary I get straight away when we could look at the 33 of 12 change of science conscious ya changa ki have become a man kwa mena kuirwa somoso muso unombu wako ya tena kwa makube kubula yesa abege na ngani kwa bwata kuya ndiyo bwata kubata musika kuya musio chokole gento musio chokole gento kwa liye mu maso mote mwakulima utimba kama ategalia oleta enyamweli ekorwa ime nyamweli maze no muyotulire taliye yokutulire bogenda komi ogo timbo kansari ko musia lindo chole no joro como sa yokoro polisa isaera irongo Enkuri. Bokungu na bakungu ayo. Enkuri. Nina ba isebe. Kulu na ba. Omoisi isaera irongo. Na bata nyumba. Ono mara responsibility na chakre bote. Kunyumba tali bote kunyumba rais bono bokungu tali bote kwa bote. Na ba mate bale kulu kini kira ba yo smart ya wana wana. About some man, you know what? No! They only needed to have a responsible man. But before he goes, he is even more responsible.
1978.
That was yesterday.
Mano, kuba kinangwa kama se montaro tari que você pode
Abaisbari, rete.
é que não queria nkiare ko na tua okay okiare ko koiwa te papos yo koye kerundu kelinga na bokunyara bokole binte biko kubija bana indira nkubatemura bana mbakwenda baita bakwenda basambe byose Papa, nem viu que você não vai extinguir como because baranya manga Papa na kwenda basa kwa Mungu kunga na itamoka muka that's not even enough bona bataka kerundu bojai bama you know education you must njabwate methodology one of the methodologies over there
Oyo, noyo.
Bas. Ora, bona ma. Nina kala amosi. Ono kala boko rangina. Na ba ni ba mu ngari ba. Wacha ali. Properly informed. Why don't I need entertainment? But passing some oral ethics or just one. One caraco to tell what can I about telling us? Or one hour, what have you got to go on to catch the Jonka? How come I know what have you want to know? I know, babe. Chinga. No, me, you know, babe. So that you are for your own. One minute, no, you need cash. You have cash. One, I can't quite rob out there. Why you can't and I should go back? What? It's a crucial. Can wait, can I leave? Well, you know that. About almost so joke. That's the good one. Almost so joke. Most of aqua, no more terror. Pero nunca igual. Na moino va nada. Isso cara se moino va, na moa conde. Vai uma ver base? Base. Vou fora na baraco, no buana. Yo como no va, cosiar dia ya na contigar mo. Papa asilinga ta kukuria ni akabere.
Siara mama na siara.
Não, mamãe, para ser Ceará. Ceará, vou te ver. Ceará. Mas kani hata kwa tiki. Mas kani tayo. Bueno, como me no hay no moroga ya por la truly.
Bembera aqui o Ceará.
Bueno, moroje. Grabo moroje. Kula. Iro mo akruabu. Abangina. Mama ya partidia ni bia. Suru chiguru kabisa tigira nyabusa. Otanga ga moishia tokule na bano kwa bero muntu mane. Amoroyo. Responsibility kutukura bika. Wana wesi bara ngina ko bara. Kotengi no kura. Bako oyi. Bara bakasi moishia. Bueno, el día cuando los ojos chimaria, abasata bari no basa que se tomore. Cuando le de Mario mostrina, yo kwatanga ujio. O bata no te kwangitire abantu bakazenga toko mutika kwa mukuna moya
naende kunera ti
Tadi baru-baru kau terus.
Ele bono. Oke, ada yang bilang makuna moya. Nanti aku kan. Aku ini nak buat. Sebab ini dia kuciwa. Kau terbang saya ni. Kau tinggal nombor untuk kerungan. Musik. Kau materi yang mana? Asal kalau mukungwara, ndiara. Ndi mukungwata ngwa. Wah. Ndi chamba chigosho mele. Chigosho. Kale nyumba. Ole lomo. Ora ki na responsibility. Utara ko tumu ntori. No bwate ntori ande. Wakaya lenga tadi ventai. Ekatikia bato iko katikati. Ilumo roga kale kwa maotenga wono mushi yake yana ma. Na maino. Bueno, ya. Bueno, maitona kampaka jibi. Amana mama tukawa tukijinda, batukubeta kanji wote kuyero. Abali sibali bamanyako genda bano kwaka rusili. What was this political maneuver? Ni familia yao. Ni community yao. Osaba ntoleso responsibility. Yani kuyege tukuri. There is no problem that we never want to face. There is no difficulty that we run away from. Na kibali kutenga yeye hamuzi yeye. Wana waucho sabili yoski. Babaki kuneba kuwa moloche. Truly. But the process here. So, ekero ba yirege ntukiya. Diriba sa tenyo mbambare kere tuwe sukute ile kuna kuna osaba gare. Tali bolen. E pa posiye sukute na ile yale. Tiyo. Ngana wako teko kuranda bune sugu ne sugu. Lakini wone kere bako ne kubwena. Bako ne wati ke kunya mu. Wae wo. Pas mana. Bisa we go na posiye kamikilisa. Igual que o Pluto, você pode ver uma. Já quatro coisas, eu coloquei porque a cara não vai mudar. E que não é tudo sim? E não vai ter motivo para tirar aquele direito de hoje. Muito vai cair. E não pode tirar para tirar aquele direito de muito vai sair o que nem não é isso que me sim. Né? Que é um cruzia para. Eu vou para ele. Di mo konda porno yo go to na ne busara mo yo kan ko nyo batara de gasto ko ese ko atro ne va ko ko che ko so our education was really indeed meaning it was large. Ya kwate kendo no ko so history no to go ya must go ya timba dentro vai lá so history stand the one because it doesn't there no nya ba ko watu ko ni sapo tiro so far e kare kirego andava ti para basi era libre ai kwa rachinga ngani batambo a sign of kwa abantu bayitana ile amasika. Finally, umwana mwana ubona kachoka kubona kali nyumba kate bino mu ne chichi na ni be pone kwa kumala kuna ni kuna bubu monto ne kora ko wa en korea so kisko ko kuna enya bubu ya renge pili tinga iko ege ntube kunge na mwili eliwata ni ko ngoro me yakore ya chi ko ko ne mu ngai nga kare ko ale no bibu ko ne ko me ko bati te ko ka lucha ko tora ko runda ngana ke ko ki ale no te ni ko ma ko chi I said, what to do myself? My own summer. Education properly was during circumcision. You may ask me why I've dwelled so much as I'm about that. Just when you bring me was going to work with you. Musacha kwa nini biyengo no mulu ono kumukwana biyengo ono kumukwana biyengo na bugute kwa mbele na biyengo akikuwa tatama mutangi ono na nkona uwasi rurera to uwasi bitinde egere kiuri ikenyora yeah that we believe this strongly and do muna baibuli tuago train biya mono tati dongena ko chibuone kwale ndo moiseke to kwenda kubwati jira chali kubwati jitu kiwolo lingi akone bina mbiko
bo bagaya ni ale ebina bantu akabi
wana karwa ko jabu buya etire wacha wai ko mo sigyo gendo ya wakati abaiti wali babera basa wana sira yaros mugo chekuriumba alisimo akarari muturo galita niko ndiango li mutukuru kuma mabu ya tali ya sambo wala lituli mukuru nyumba mwaso kali ya sambo ya buko nige tiko ngengo su ya rosi kwango ro ono kor kuma kwa ndo chwezi wezi kwa ro chwa na misili kia weli isona mwako ndo basiba maru makena usanke na mabera bako tero bako tenga bakoile was ya ngombe abantu nalo ukutwara bane nibo naba the conscious as now completely changed that you are a man because you have undergone a cause wana mlo timoto ito twara komeo kwa no sababu yeye sabe tu basi kitu
I wanted to let you out with a small summary that the Kisii traditional education was practical and there was no unemployment. And if you are an idol, we used to sing for you. Egero koreki otuare omokie. Mosaiga siberionge. No amoto. Siberionge. Mosaiga siberionge. Oh no, we are going to finish with the 3 speakers. He's one of them. We are going to have 3 speakers from now, and then from there we have to each take a maximum of 10 minutes. Dr. Momani, followed by Chief Officer Obaba, and lastly, our Minister for So, Ikundo.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Welcome, Daktari. Daktari is in charge of tourism at the Department of Tourism at the Focal Lab of Tourism at Rongo University, and he knows much about tourism in this particular area. We expect a very serious summary of education here. Musi, the one of our students. Ikundo.
Ready, sir? Are you ready?
DJ. Yeah. 10 minutes each, kind of.
At the same time, go move to a corner somewhere. They can see it. When you're thinking about you, yeah, I will start by appreciating all the protocol here from the county leadership, the director Humphreys, Buena Moses, and the entire team here. Yeah, I'm really humbled to give a small talk, and I have to start by appreciating Moses very much, and I've told you very many times. And what he's doing is doing the right thing. And what about the challenge? When we talk about investment, we must invest in a way that we touch people's lives directly. Because you can go by one speaker. Imagine your office yalenga, if it was not here. Aba ninawa, ngisaika wao para nyumba. Comment stress. Yame ntogo chandeka. Abati ko chaka iga ikiru sio ko to blind. No ko comment stress yake iga. Stress yake dance. Iko ina moroya aba mareka kwa bomo ke. So no one that the impact which investment can do. At the same time, I appreciate Opino and Honorable Nyamokwega for what they are doing to preserve our heritage. Moja akabaya small history, na ndio kwa ndio kusina ndio kwenye link to tourism because Kongo was school ya tourism kwa mambo sawa. Moja akabaya saying that when the founders of education, Socrates, Plato, Archimedes, very good design education. They wanted to produce unwholesome human being. When you want or if you are intelligent in one, even if you make you win a key, how comes you find a professor who is corrupt? Or how come you find a doctor who will say lies and not fear? That means that it is something that is missing that education. Because education should be all round. Or how come to what are very well learned, but at the same time you find corruption thriving at the same time. You want that there is a challenge here as a society because education is not producing that ideal person. You don't have a healthy mind in a healthy body. Only have the wholesome person. And the couple from the talk here, Honorable Yamokaru, their main essence, no connection to produce all around. There are values involved, there is responsibility involved, and there are so many diseases. So if you look at in this time and age, 2025, which are very shocking. Like someone decides to wipe the whole family. What does that mean? There is something missing in this list. In summary, into why I'm standing here, I will highly say that tourism, they want a huge potential to take advantage of what is happening in these societies. In simple words, imagine our cultural school. A cultural school is located in Amfres. This cultural school, kids in their breaks, they contribute a very small sum. They get a subsidy from the county government. Very small subsidy, and they also pay a very small fee. They come here to learn. The school can run in April, the school can run in August, and it can run in December. They are a very complicated school, very basic school. Now what they want to April, more focus on what? On the values Kyomoksi. On the courage, the values. How do people negotiate with each other? In August, you only have to party to imagine. August, one barangay na ki, chinda ya chike usi. The water cancer is increasing, diabetes. But you see now, with all these health conditions back in the time. I want to advance about these challenges. They'll be very glad to come to this cultural school in August. Koran, for only 4 weeks, about the Gusi kitchen. The do's and don'ts. Musi kitchen. Nakia kora mandao ngambiolia itatu mwa egete miaka 100. Ise. Egete miaka 100. That is why for me I always say there is no education that is superior than the other. All these education complement each other to produce a wholesome person. Ethics, we are talking about values, ethics, which was the punishment. All those values should be taught. That will be your responsibility in ethics. In August Pasagre, a kitchen yomogusi, and managing the diseases. Chomogusi. We didn't make Tamadun. That will be another school. And in December, at work. Because you don't know why to man keep across your wonder. You go in December, no? It will be upon director Kumwa to design an entrepreneurship course. Remembering our heritage. So that people learn that you must not be corrupt for you to be wealthy. You can also be wealthy through being a shrewd, smart, intelligent investor. Out of 10, you keep one aside and you keep it consistently. We break down the language of investment to the simplest words possible. You know, those are practical lessons for our people. They're embedded in our values, but at the same time, they will be economic value to our people. Because in Wasomi want the values in ethics, for example. In almost Wasomi about nutrition and management of diseases using our herbs. And in December, you have done something on investment and entrepreneurship. Using our values. What do you think will happen around here? There will be a new movement. Even UNESCO will be interested to come and know what is this happening around here? Because you are producing a human being from its wholesomeness. Some sciences, also geography, mathematics, but at the same time it's being given the values of our heritage. That is number one. But what I also like to emphasize, it is good we do this thing as soon as now. Why? Most of these values are embedded in the people.
Yes.
They are embedded in him. If he's not there, you will not have it for posterity. How do we ensure that this knowledge is transmitted to generation to come? We train as many people as possible. Also, now the first one we're going to be you can keep what we call a community of practice. Or sign a contract. If we are training 30 people, and they are trained to that, in every person will be able to transmit the information to 3 more people in their families. And you can see how much that info will move around here. Because as we go, we value so much education here. You get a lot of A's. But when you're yes. A doctor, but he's really a patient in the hospital. Because this is what? Values. But he does not know to differentiate what is the right food from the wrong food. To balance this. Therefore, his nutrition brings up diseases. The last one. When you want now what you are saying, but he does not know how to manage the money. Now what the idea here, but you are broke all the time. And he is asking for more money. More. Therefore, I think that is a very simple concept from where I stand on how we can integrate our values from our heritage with the modern challenges to produce an wholesome person. It is doable. Therefore, the challenge goes first to the county government. Let's think on how we can create an incentive towards this end. It can also serve the government of the county. I'm very sure. Because if you give that an incentive, you start from values to nutrition to investment, there's going to be some changes in our society. And I say so because day to day nowadays, I usually see what we should see in our leaders. Sometimes they react to situations. Let's not react to situations. That we just come, a few of us, we fundraise, and we give somebody money, and then tell me, oh, we have empowered you. That cannot do any change. But even if you teach somebody about the values of investment, for example, as basic as they may seem, they change this person's mind. So that as I was telling the director here, I'm so inspired from him that the investments are also be making in the future. You must see how they are going to change people's lives directly. So that as we invest, we also change the people's lives where we live. From where I stand, that is how I see we can contribute to our heritage. So that we have the heritage coming in, complementing with the modern education to be of value to us. Director, I know you have been doing wonderful things from the time we started in December. You did some miracle in this music town. You had a 3-day festival. Therefore, I'm very sure, even this cultural school I'm talking about here for 3 months, I'm very sure you're going to do it. But I want us to walk to the top with our leadership, because there is a huge jump that can be done from the county leadership, because that is the lower level we have before the national government comes. Say that we don't complain about bad Kenya, but we contribute to making a better Kenya for all of us. I am so passionate. I'm so passionate that we can do a lot to release our country, because one advantage we have a youthful population. A youthful population means means that there's a lot of potential. If we harness all this potential and we put in the right direction, not just giving by giving this what I've said, the living integration of cultural values plus the modern education, we can change a lot. Well, Honorable Pino, Honorable Nyabonko and the county leadership, and we must work with the director here. Honestly, we must work with him to see how we can make this visible. And we should not think that it's only going to be one person's assignment. All of us should do something. All of us should do something. Or would you contribute to your water? So that you can create a new dynamic in Lucyland. Now, let's not do them just for the sake of selfish interest. Let's do them for the sake of posterity. So when the history of Obos is written, when the history of Obos is written, we can also be remembered that the Honorable Nyamoko did this. Because of this Hill House, we are having a conversation every first Saturday to enrich our values in the Omogusi society. So that our heritage becomes part of the solutions to the challenges we face in everyday living. So that we don't go around hiding. You know, the modern religion is very funny. Somebody hide in the religion to do some bad things. Because me, I'm a man of God, therefore I can always do bad things. Because I know I'll always be appreciative the man of God. That is why I feel also it's a high time the African religion should also come out strongly to condemn some of these things. And to show people the right way. Or else we'll be having a very beautiful country with a lot of potential, but it is unexploited. Yeah, that is what I believe should be done. And thank you very much for giving me your ears. I'm so
happy. Minister, Dr. Mumanye brought us visitors here from Germany about 2 months ago.
3 months.
He's also met Germany with his doctorate, so he knows when he's speaking. We are all depend on support. It was a very serious experience. 1 minute. Lakini asibale watenaki. Ayeta totale gotiga some. Can you do that one? Ayeta totale gotiga some. Ota kona. Now we want to welcome our Chief Officer, Tourism, Kisi County, Honorable Baba, to come and give Dr. Baba to come and talk to us. Also, Dr. Baba is a lecturer at Moi University. So he will be able to give us something a little on education and a bit on what they're doing.
Mangorora gari yo guarusa. Situng gari bal masawa tichuruwa. Konde Kisii County. Kuna Chiposa. Apart from Chiposa, Girumari, it was on Moi University Kamasa, University of Edinburgh. And in Gazi County, only on the tourism. Like in United culture is like a soul. We know the soul. When you don't have the soul, you lose everything. So this is my culture, and I don't want to lose my soul. So I don't want to lose my culture. Ekia kokera, nevanda sondo sasendale, krambadri baga I have to come. I'm in the department of tourism. But then there's a naende no musani we loterie. Na waziri culture, tourism, trade is my friend. I will always tag him along. Ele na cherenga kwa na ndo osho diki ya opereka. Na bateri tourism is Professor Nyawenja. He's also a learned person. And umuntu wanje tenere kyosi, umuntu wanje culture. No mwelio nyachae, Simon Senior. So na wako pedia mange. I will tag him along next time with Waziri. But Rende, I want to appreciate Moses. From us, declaring, international politics, yeah, like in Rende, singing to what Moses does to the county government, we do appreciate so much. And as a county government, we would also like to do this more, to partner with more businesses, more private persons, so that we go county to watch Chisiko. Last time I to Kisii County, some people may not even know. Saying total pay out here. A culture to Chisiko. Apart from the soapstone, I can talk about tourism to soapstone, you can go lakini bali kumanyanga na ki ntobwate bani African kusi yeke usi bara ajibe enjoy baigote bairane kusi baimuki bacha goton which is good cultural school correct. So those are some of the things the county government I think was will talk about it elinde na itutonyo na toimuki the county ito ya usiku. But over and above that for the youths I think was also will talk. We had organized training on economic activity, what that was talking about. And the economic activities, the youths are oriented to tourism. Even to be the beyond Avana by Tobaranya, Bagokora, Erinde, they muki economically, was yeah, Erinde at least our public care some of as a tourism. Tourism, no konya koligere lichingi tito konya koligere li culture yoka but ina kinda abeke somo huko how can I gain from this tourism about na bonko betu ideas na bonko ikino online ways yoko leta bantu kuru Nairobi kama Nairobi elinde bachi paka basongo ga through making my own connections innovation koraki aba tours or the tourists kwa pinpointed areas of what travel in Kisii. That alone can bring more.
Exactly. But maybe I can add something on the same before you stop. There is an idea I had in my class, SMS I was giving because to other wanafunzi wako jinsi mjinga. And all these people nowadays they are making content. Now I give them an assignment. You create a short video, very short, acquire all the areas around you, and you're trying to get like a small itinerary from your area. What imagine if you do that, like Minister Mesema hapa, what if you do that? How much magic can he do? Because these guys that have their smartphones, and it's young people who are very innovative, they can create very wonderful work. That is one of the easiest way we can make our things be outside. Because it doesn't need a lot. A few bundles, mtu ana document something small, and through that, that is the only way we can make people know what we have in this place. And we have a lot. Therefore, I think when it comes that, we can always think how we can partner and give something that is of value to the youth, but at the same time they earn some revenue, but at the same time is of value to our county.
Yeah, and then lastly, as through the initiative we were doing, I left out last week, so I know there are some engagements we have done. We have engaged on the issue of mapping of the tourist sites. A few of us.
Yes.
Yes. Sense. Yeah. So, if people can tell you, again, those are some of the information to the world. But as a county government, we have started the mapping out of the tourist sites. And then I told you, Kenya, and culture, that is some story, you go to Pulgare. I clearly vinke, Yagusi, Parache, Valigare, Paquas. So those are some of the things the county government is doing and partnering with other investors. So at this time, I'd like to request my boss, Waziri Nyabi Cyrus, Gare Mwaziri.
Thank you. We are on Dear Maria Tango Cyrus, Masanga Nyapita. Nyapita Nwe Warenge. Warenge Nwe Wongoli. Wongoli Nwe Nyengo. Director, Humphreys. Daktari Mani. I've listened to you. We know Nyambane, Nyamoko, my brother. The work you're doing is great. I'm proud of you, and I can see some county officials here. You know, sometimes the first thing that thinks in my head when I was sitting here is that we are sitting in a gold mine. Because our culture is so rich, so interesting, so appetizing, that all the world would like to visit. How do we do that? To make sure that it reaches to many and we sell it. I remember this some years back, we had Redicras, and it moved to these guys, Kingangi. Those guys are rich out of that, making people happy. Our culture is making our people happy. The first thing that draws Anyole from our culture
is to enjoy our culture and know our culture. It's very important. You say our culture is awesome. Everything is be it medicine, be it the way the kuragera, everything is in our culture. And we brand it with tourism. Thank you, Daktari. Daktari has been the head of the Department of Tourism for the last 1 year. He has done great things to ensure that we move. We brand culture and tourism. It becomes one thing, and then we sell as a product. And he's done a great job, I think. Wherever he's going, he will not leave that mantle. He will have that mantle, move with it, with whoever was coming, to ensure that our Kisii County, we have showcased it outside there to ensure that everybody knows about Kisii and the culture of Omoksi. Thank you, Humphrey, Director. Yes. You've done a great thing. I don't know who could have come and do what you were doing. Indeed, God bless you. Give the energy and continue with the spirit, making sure as a county, we have been thinking, what can we do so that we cannot leave our culture eroding and going down? This next financial year, we worked with my chief officer to ensure we put some money into tourism, to ensure that we archive this information. We have 5 million that we have put in the budget.
Tourism app.
Tourism app, we are going to have it here, and there is money in that. And in the next supplementary, we ensure that we need more money, because this is a very rich culture and there is more that we need to do. And it's good that one of the first computer scientists is a Kisii. We didn't know that. Yes. So it means that we can put the first. We are the first people to teach computer in the university, and we showcase. And it's indeed, we need to nurture our young people who are energetic and innovative, to ensure that we take this tourism and culture forward. And indeed, the reading culture, you can appreciate with you can see the reading culture has gone down. People have gone digital. TikTok, that's where people see. We do this, people don't take these books to read. And I believe we are working hard to ensure that we digitize our products, to ensure that we can see and visualize and listen to take them forward. Those who can have the essence of reading, they can read and know what this stands for. As a county, through His Excellency the Governor, is very passionate about tourism, is very passionate about culture, and we have been talking with him how we can be able to improve this. In the next years, we can have people talking. I feel good when a young man talks about the culture, talks about the history of Omoksi. Because Kinopino will not be there forever. There is a time they will exit. And I believe they will live for that, those 20 years, the 120 years, I believe. We are following up. You get the books, you get the history and the reasons why you should live longer. And if we adhere to the cultural practices, we'll definitely live longer. Be happy. And we eat as we are being prescribed by the traditions. Otherwise, I enjoy being with you. And we partner with whatever makes our Kisii culture move forward, sell outside there as a county, and we endeavor to do that as we move forward. Otherwise, I want to thank every one of you who have come to appreciate our culture. Thank you, Director, for making this happen.
back a bit. Ekene ngopere magende. Ino bari mu musenda kandi.
Na mara ya rusi kuke yombe no.
Ekene ngopere document ikere magende. Umashino wo kusaba roche. Libo ayo no mugusi amenyete kana. Digi erindire magende na ndire nyamondo South Mukran.
Abantu bayijabe abakenani uno mugusi amenyete kare. Kuya mo murigere yone oyinu mwana yimo. Morora maja ya muna kukurura. Murigere yone aja ne soki kuwa tamani ya sefu. Maja ya kiga kukurura. Isa na kukuta kwa cha same lakini ile na wote ile kila kwa alizodia
who are around and you are going to introduce yourself today. And you can want to introduce yourself as, but because of time, just wave to us and say next time. We have one special guest here. Mr. Baba, there's something he had. He was telling us a bit, then we get Mr. Obino to tell us a bit how Jenna was, and Ruth to give us a vote of thanks.
So, just a reminder. In politics, we are not supposed to cover the process of, but it's just a reminder what we have done as a county government in terms of institutions. The Department of Tourism partnered with Kisii University and the Rongo University, and the universities around. To give one, we gave 63 attachments to our students from Rongo, Jaramogi, National Poly, and Kisii University. And then we also signed an agreement in the Department of Tourism for the last year, 1 year. We have been in the government, in the department. We signed a partnership in the University of Kisii, or Kisii University, so that we will be able to train our students who are in tourism on the issues to do with tourism in the county government and in Kisii at large. So we are open with the universities, Mwalim. If you can find an opportunity to come, we partner with the county government to say here. Thank you very much.
It's not right for one cannot the guest of honor politically as this year's putting. According, I can't remember my Ganabu at Chinese, China Nengas. And whatever we are doing is there on culture and tourism. I was sent there by the Department of Commerce and Industry in China through China Aid and the Department of Culture, Kenya, to look at the World Heritage sites and how they are treating them. And then I'm going to talk to the Minister on tourism, because culture is itself tourism. And those people have put life into their culture, in the story, and that is what we are trying to do here. And I'm telling you, this is going to places. Because of that, I'll give the story in our next event. Yeah, boy. You will see. Next time is we are going to start with that story and how it is related with what Moses is doing here and how it is going to impact in our community, because it will, sir. It will. Those people, there are 1.4 billion in a city. There are 27 million, but you don't see them. You don't see them. You don't see them. Their systems, and they are so busy to be seen. so busy doing their things, and their culture is alive. When people are going somewhere to greet, like we have come here to share this, we have a uniform, we put on our cultural dress, everybody knows we are doing something here. Kanisa tiyo, and their life anyway. Next. I want to take the opportunity because Humphreys gave me the opportunity also to present them on platforms. So I want to inform you that as we are talking, Tabaka is being considered as a World Heritage Site because of the and in conjunction with Uganda. I don't know how prepared we are for them. They were here. Immediately we came from China, they came here for 2 days to talk to the people of Tabaka. So we are impacting as Humphreys on issues our county. I think I should end there because the story is next time. Thank you for coming.
Okay. Ruth, vote of thanks. Umwalo mujojo mado wacha late. Moto upani by auto sobere at the end. Now on sobera. Or see you are ngora.
Na bakwanza limwezi kwa idire bia. Ngo wateranga bia mono ese nyuma chile vega machile kusanga 90. Teri raisi kumuna mbaya chile rege wada yale ngiembe mwezi kusanga 90. Wake bia mono. First I thank my director for coming up with this culture talk because we are learning a lot from it. Kuna mambo mengi sana wengi wetu hatukuwa tunajua na sasa hivi tunaendelea kujua na tutajua zaidi. Ngoko director Torosa support mu Rubuga nikogera. Onyale konga kusomea banda banga kandi. Ngo bakira byamo na wadansa. Na paka bara bagotuga na bagoche gabatenga na intuga paka batoralizia mamba manya koboka mama na kwenda na bago sensera ya mo video kanon tri bikungo na bombuna minga toko bakirambia mono mwegeri kabisa na robo musabwa bwabo na ino Lero kirire sana ko na gari. Ondo ke awagesi mwato somiria mangana amange. Baro mama itewe mu wa tunto maiti. Ono bora to kuna kusoma mara mara. Kuna ndo watu akina maiga into binde ndo maiti. Kuna magoto sominga to kuna twika transport kwa mama, kwa baba ndo wewe twika transport kwa mama. Squeeze to was watu sara yoka. Bali baka na baba mara basi bako swaba kabali banyobi. Wono nere bia maskani na maye kogera na wora ndonyore utuomane na mamo mino guseiso ase igoncengo te bangambia mama somoro byo kuno charite iga ni woro bwo semio konene na ende gato gendre igo to sirane media moto tangasa bia mwa post mwa tutangasa bia mwa advertise bia na diora amanyekani tunataka target yetu tusijulikane tu hapa. Sasa ukiangalia platforms zetu TikTok, Facebook, unaweza angalia like mtobwa TV wazibani. Kwanza tete motora ligia to ende international. Elindo omoberorogoriyo na boko nyara ko na be ora gendreiga at the end of this onyore no nyane gesaba yogorire bachaga iga ba stream live akaigo na bako nyora tuachira ata. Yamano hasobo cha kusanga 90 moto aromo yo moro sagote ke tuno ikiga no nyakara tambe ntu mwezi tunyara tubatoko semane edinde tunyara ko batoko sirege koroge yamano chepe kuru tontiri seite kuru ereskimu lakini awasi sokora agorete seito boiboru okoro kumomoni igotia mirongo ya ruguru una ndo basubati nganya tole naende ngachiko nganya gochiko girango mate bono nchibonega no mugirango bono na whisky
Nama boy.
Braganzi ngutoleke gusa. Bas, tomia mimi na tole iko. Tasole. To gendere to sesenia mawani oyo ito. Iga kero yo mo ayekorere gasi na ende posesenie kero yo mo le mega iga ne amati aye pero to kogendo tulisiri bo sanche tuasebile tugenda tasibile Kristo mutobito. Amen.
Thank you.
Hey,